this video, we will show you how to install GCam or Google Camera on universal Android smartphone. GCam or Google Camera is an Android application developed by Google. This application is used to take a picture, but actually, GCam can only be installed on Android devices made by Google such as Google Pixel and Google Nexus. If you want to install this GCam or Google Camera on your Android devices, you can download the application. We put link into description of this video. There are two versions, GCam version 7 and GCam version 8. If you encounter trouble in GCam version 8, you can download version 7. After you download, you can try to install GCam or Google Camera. In here, later we will show you if GCam or Google Camera has best function to take a picture in here. You can allow this. You can see there. This is made by GCam or Google Camera. The color, gradation, and the light is very good for camera application in here. And GCam has many features like portrait, night mode, and other features is you can explore in here. That's all tutorial how to install GCam or Google Camera on universal Android smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you.